Guys, today's episode is how to buff out scratches from your vehicle. So, step one is you really wash the car with soap and then dry it out. So most of my scratches are right here. You can kind of see, yeah, you can see this big scratch all the way through. Yeah. So we'll mostly focus on this. We'll give you guys step by step. Compound 105. We got this on Amazon. You guys can get this anywhere. Harbor Freight. So we want to shake it up a little bit.
Slow it up.
Guys, watch carefully what he does here. Kind of spread it out evenly. I don't think you have power. Do you have power?
Yeah, no, I just don't want it to spread out.
Do not keep it at one spot or else it'll melt the clear coat, guys. You want to kind of move quickly. You don't want to sit at one spot for a while. You guys can see the scratches disappearing as we speak. But hold on a minute, guys, and stay with me here. We have something important to tell you. Don't just skip next. So this I won't be able to fix because it went clearly through the paint, but we'll see how much of that we can get rid of. We having a little bit of technical difficulties. Guys, look at this. This is unbelievable, guys. This is really unbelievable, guys. This right here, guys, it's worth every penny, guys. Guys, I see no more scratches here.
Deep. That's through the paint.
Wow, guys. Wow. This right here is insane, guys. This looks like it's brand new, guys. No scratches. I like this. I got rid of most of it. We just got one deep one here. That's about the only thing left. You can feel it?
Pretty deep.
Yeah. But guys, me catch are very nice. It's nice. Миллион денег. So you don't want to go really high speed, guys. We use the medium speed. This you can grab at Harbor Freight, under 100 bucks. Guys, make my video pop. Like, comment, subscribe, because this is hard work and dedication. I'm not your average 9-to-5 guy, guys. Look at that, guys. This is insane. Brand new truck. Yeah, you can see. It's like a mirror. Also, guys, I'm looking for sponsors. Comment if you have a silver fender. Oh, wow, she's so shiny.
No, eso que мне все равно.
Guys, look at this. Yes. Did you add those?
Stop on my cord.
Okay, guys, notice this scratch right here. We're gonna do it real quick. All right, let's get rid of her. Guys, I won't even move the camera so you guys don't think I'm like recording another spot on the truck. Believe me, this thing does miracles, man. It's insane. Yes. Oh yeah. Guys, I bet you money. Scratch is gone. Look at that, guys. Oh my god. Where did it go? Did it ride? Oh my god. Guys, it's gone. Oh my god. Guys, that's how you do it, guys. Guys, scratch is gone. It's like not even ever here before. Dude, this is insane. Guys, wipe her down. Guys, look at this. If you want to forward to the beginning of the video, feel free. Look how it looked like before. You guys remember we had a scratch going all the way through. Now we don't. So right now he'll wipe it down and you guys will see how these scratches, they just disappear. It's amazing. Thin air. Look at this, guys. This is just... Look at this, guys. Remember, to the right of the gas tank, nothing. No scratch going through anymore. Guys, this is amazing stuff. Guys, hop on it right now. You're at home during coronavirus. Make your car clean.